Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to College Ridge Raceway. It is my birthday, June 15th. So hoping for a great night out at the Ridge. Honestly, don't know how it's going to go. Had motor problems. My grandpa had to change out the heads 3 times this week, and we haven't raced. So there shouldn't be any problems, any reasons that anything should not be working. So he thinks he got it right this time. We're going to go out there and see. This time I have the GoPros charged, so y'all won't miss my almost winning of a race. This kid was here. Speaking of this kid, Harry. Oh, it's not focused, Harry. You're too white. It's about time for a tan, kid.
I know.
There you go, it focused. But anyways, I think he's what good luck charm, but he can't stay, man. He can't stay, which is a-okay. So just hoping we're gonna have a great night. Hoping to see a lot of girls out there. If you are a girl, hit me up. I'm just kidding. Got a girlfriend. She's probably gonna kill me for saying that. But hey, I look forward to not necessarily the girls, but anyone, you know, who wants to talk. So for all you people who do watch the videos who are around here, if you want to come talk, dude. If you want to come hang out, dude. Dude, I keep saying dude. Our place is like a hangout, dude. Oh, I can't stop saying dude. Our place is like a hangout. If y'all want to come down, y'all are more than welcome to come down and talk and hang out and chill and just do whatever. Right now I'm getting Forza Horizon 4, which at the time, hold on, let me focus on that real quick, if it will. Come on, you got this, you got this. There it goes. At the time, oh, and it went right back out of focus. Okay, surely y'all can see it. It said 50. By the way, it started last freaking night. So really hoping. Harry, is this blurry? Or does my face look okay? Is it blurry?
It's a little blurry. Yeah. You can turn it on. You good? Here, you good now?
It's good. Not blurry.
It's. I mean, I
should have a green box.
Oh. Why?
Is it good?
Green box?
Yeah.
No, it's white. Green.
Green?
Never mind, it's white now.
Alright, Harry, what focuses on you, so you're doing the vlog.
Hey!
God. Anyways, we're about to head out to the track. By the way, scrolling through YouTube, found another cool YouTuber who is around here and also vlogs at College Ridge. Has a lot more content than me, honestly. He uploads a lot more consistently than me. But that Tim guy, 25, he races factory. Well, I don't know if he races. An older guy races, but he's there to video with him. And but he has some good content. He posts a lot of races from the Ridge on there. So who knows what today holds. You know, it's my birthday, so I'm hoping I get a little bit of luck, maybe. You know, that 15th birthday wish was definitely to win me a race. Maybe not this weekend, but sometime. We sure did get close last weekend. Bringing up, you know, getting first the whole time, or starting fourth. I don't know if this ever got posted. Started fourth, worked my way to the pack. By the 3rd lap, I was out front. And I had almost a full straightaway lead on everybody, and I started losing oil pressure. And I mean, losing it fast, and the car started sputtering through the corners. And so that's when the number 65 car got around me. And that was all she wrote, man. And still bring home second. I had a big enough lead to at least hold it for second. Didn't really help me points-wise, which is what I'm kind of focused on this year, is just finishing good. And, you know, just finishing is, you know, the main goal. It has been settled, though, that if I don't get in the late models sometime soon with my dad, who just admitted last night that he's losing the drive to race. Because if anybody who doesn't know, he just started hot-shotting. So he drives. He spends his whole week driving. And all he does. And so he does eventually get tired of it. And I don't blame him. I would too. So he gets, you know, he just drive. He wants a break on his weekends, I understand. But if he decides, you know, play this full year out, and not let me get in. What we're going to do is for the last 4 or 5 weekends, we have an extra late model back behind the fence, which is for sale. If anyone's watching this and looking for a late model, it's literally like, it's a full roller, needs a transmission, seat, oh wait no, it's got a seat in there, needs a transmission and a motor, and dude, you're good to go. I think we're selling it for $2,500, $2,500, yes, you heard that right. Nothing special. It's a 04 GRT. Really good chassis. They did used to call that at one time the perfect chassis, and we didn't have any problems with it. We just had a one that was 2 years older back behind the fence, so we wanted to put that together and try it out. And so they're going to put me in the 04 GRT. If you want to see how it performs, I'll be racing it at the Ridge the last 4 to 5 weekends, and maybe old number 1, I don't know. And you know what, just hit me up on Instagram, GavinJordan11, if you are looking to be serious and purchase a race car, not, you know, joking around. Alright, I'll see you guys at the track. I may video a little bit at the track. I may not. I may just send y'all straight to the heat races. So, thank you for watching. Thank you if you've already made it this far through the intro. Let's get it. So hey guys, it is current day, and you know, we have gotten some good news in. They were saying, I'm getting repetitive again. My grandpa was saying, I may not have blown the motor. Now, we don't know 100%. It could be something little or something, little enough to at least ruin the motor. Or something could have came unplugged, something could have came loose and killed the car. At this point, we don't know yet, but we should know it about the beginning of the week. So hopefully it's not as bad as I thought. And also sorry for the GoPro footage being so bright. We're looking for GoPro mounts that will go up further on the car, so that it will be, more secure and you can see the track only. I won't have to focus on the cockpit and the track. Oh, whoa. Yeah, not feeling too hot today, but I'm about to get on. I'm about to edit this video for y'all and get it pumped out. So I will see you guys in the next one. I got Conway baseball this next weekend, so it won't be this weekend. Maybe the next, so we'll see. I'll see you guys later. Peace.